Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Hang Trần. Today is about tools to make rice paper rolls. Welcome to Rolling Fun. Now look at this toolkit. Have you ever seen it? It's rice paper roll maker kit. And to make rice paper rolls, that's what you need. But why is it good? Because with this, you just enjoy the food. The skill, you're not worried. The table, there's no messy. And the time is fast and easy. And the result is guaranteed. So the first item in the toolkit, what is it? It's a rice paper water bowl. It's for containing the water, as you know. So it's tall and it's thin to fit the rice paper in. So we dip the rice paper into the water to make it wet and so softer. The second item in the toolkit, what is it? It's the rice paper tray. There are many slotted gaps to make the rice paper dry in proper way. It makes the rice paper not so sticky, and it helps us fold and roll easily. Okay, let's see how it works. The first step, we make the rice paper wet. And the second step, we place it onto the mat. So step number 3, we place the food onto, fold and roll it firmly. It's easy, busy, lemon squeezy. So now look at this video please. It's a kid at the age of 6. He learned the tricks and he amazingly made it. So we have 2 boxes for 2 sizes of rice papers. The normal box for the normal rice paper 22 centimeters. And the smaller box for smaller rice paper 16 centimeters. And it's the end of this video. Please subscribe to Rolling Fun channel. You can watch the other episodes for other topics that you want to know. See you next time. Bye bye.